What is the secret behind Unity's 17-year success in BPO?
That's a great question. So there's no real formula for success other than you have to try different things and find out what works fast. When you figure out quickly what doesn't work, you eliminate it and you try to figure that out as soon as possible. And, when we looked at different years, 2016 was our smallest growth year, which is 3%. Yet probably our largest growth year was 2022, which was 64%. Obviously in 2022, we're coming out of the COVID stage. And it was during that time where we lost a lot of accounts, but we retooled to a lot of e-commerce and automated accounts. And we literally were just trying, with a lot of our clients, what works and what doesn't work, and really calibrate feedback and communicate.
How did Unity maintain consistent growth for the past 8 years, including a global pandemic?
Our leadership team is not afraid to tell me bad news first. I need to hear the bad news before I hear good news. Bad news is this account is going out of business. We're going to have additional people. And then I get on the phone and I ask people if these other resources are available. So it is about pivoting to market conditions. The market of BPO, outsourcing, and labor in general is not a saturated market like some people think. It's really, at the end of the day, are you getting your message out? Are you telling people and you communicating? And so our communication, our pivoting, our call to action, and everybody's got all hands on deck. From me to the C-suite to the managers, we're all very in tune with the fact that there's not a single person that isn't executing. We all execute, and we all share that together. And we work really well as a global team.
Where will this latest Inc. 5000 win lead Unity Communications?
We are now with the 5th win in a row. That represents 7 to 8 years of consistent growth that's measured that way. I mean, we're very honored to be in that elite category 5 years in a row. And I certainly didn't do it by myself. A lot of thanks is going to go to Diana, our CXO, our management teams in the Philippines and Mexico now. That has helped us grow. With this growth, with the additional capital it brings, with the additional recognition it brings, a lot of companies are now choosing us because we are doing the one thing that really matters in a lot of this, is that's consistency. A lot of companies are going to make mistakes. There's a lot of companies that are going to come and go. But the fact that we now have 8 years of measurable growth consistently back to back to back will give companies the confidence that there's a lot flashier companies out there, but we're very consistent and we do our work and we're very proud of what we do. We're very proud of what we've accomplished. And at the end of the day, we're very flexible. So we're really looking forward to making it 7, 8, 9 years in a row.
What would you like your employees, clients, and other shareholders to know about this latest win?
We couldn't have done it without you. We're very blessed to have the accounts we have. We're very grateful they've given us the opportunities to work with us, and we really cherish those relationships. Our clients are our lifeblood. We're very grateful for the partnership. We're very grateful to be able to do the work we do. And we hope that over the next few years, as we add additional AI capabilities, automation capabilities, they will trust us to bring the customer experience, where they want it to be.